Hi Stampers, I'm Jill Olsen and welcome to Watch It Weekly Wednesday. I'm going to show you a new fold on a card and it's called the Twist and Fold card. So I'm going to take a piece of 12 by 12 designer series paper and I'm going to first go ahead and take our trimmer. I'm going to go ahead and trim it at 11 inches. Piece I'm going to go ahead and cut. We're not going to use this, and I'm going to cut 4-inch pieces. And then I'm going to cut another 4. So we'll actually have 3 cards that we can make with 1 piece of DSP. Now what I'm going to go ahead and do is determine what I want once I twist the card on the top part. So let me show you. This is actually the card right here. So I'm going to determine that I want this on the background. So I'm going to make sure my piece, when I put it in here to be scored, is on that section right there, because I'm going to score from this corner to this corner. So this will make our twisting part. So I'm going to line up the little points. So I'm going to take this and just score it down. Okay, so I scored it. Now this is the twisting part. Okay, so then that makes your bottom of your card. Now, see this part right here where it intersects? You're going to just fold it, matching the bottom of it and the side of it, and then just fold it right there. Okay, so there's your base of your card. Now I'm going to take this stamp set that's Making Christmas Bright, and I'm going to use the Stamparatus to get these 2 stamps put together. May Your Christmas Be, and then I want bright, but I want it inside this circle. I've got the Stamparatus right here and the magnets, and I have 2 of the pads on here to make it so I can stamp in the corner. So I'm going to go ahead and use these and put my magnets on there. And I'm going to take the Real Red and the Shaded Spruce. So I'll first start with the Shaded Spruce and ink that up. Okay, so I'm inking that up and then I'm going to press it down. Okay, I've got the 2 stamps right here, and let me show you how you line this up. So I'm going to do May Your Christmas, and I'm going to go ahead and put my stamp right in the circle. And there's no ink on it just yet, so I can actually tell where it's going to hit. I'm going to actually pick this up with my clear plate. So it picks it up, and then I'm going to go ahead and use the red, Real Red, and I'm going to stamp it down. May Your Christmas Be. And then I'm going to go ahead and turn this around because I want to do bright, and line that up exactly where I want the bright to be. And you want to kind of put it kind of close to May Your Christmas Be and then the bright. Okay, so there's bright, and I'm going to do the same thing where I'm going to go ahead and pick up the stamp, ink it up, just tap a little bit, and then press down. Okay, May Your Christmas Be Bright, and so that's all ready to go. And I'm going to punch this out. I've actually already done that. And I'm going to go ahead and put these 2 together. I'm going to put dimensionals on here and just on the glitter paper. And so I'm going to put that in the center. And then with this, you can either put something in the front or you can stick something right there. And then on the inside, you can stamp something right here too. But it's really for a gift card holder. So you could adhere that one spot down if you want, or you can just leave it open. So I want this popped up. So, okay. May Your Christmas Be Bright. And so the neat thing about these gift card holders, you can make 3 with one 12 by 12 piece of designer series paper. Now let me show you some other ones that I made. These right here are all done with the designer series paper, and I used actually a window sheet on this, stuck it inside there and glued it down. So And may your Christmas be bright. And use our punch, our little Christmas light punch in that one. And Merry Christmas. I used some of our glitter paper with that one. And this is not a Christmas one, but You're My Everything. You Are Loved. So that could also be Happy Birthday, and you could put a gift card right there. The neat thing about these little gift card holders is they can stand up on somebody's desk at work, and you could put a nice note to somebody and then put a gift card right here. So here's this one. I made this with the Designer Series paper and cardstock. So have yourself a merry little Christmas. This also is done as with the cardstock, and you're kind of framing the area, and I'll show you how to do this in just a second. This was from a trade, the Happy Birthday. And this does fit in an envelope. You think, well, it doesn't fit that way. But what you could do is you just turn it like this, and it fits right in your envelope, like so. And then this is a fun one, Wishing You Everything on Your List. And this is done with the Designer Series paper. And I went ahead and used the Designer Series paper and cut this out with the framelits and these little things, but to put a little gift card in there. So let me show you how you get this look with the extra background. So I'm just going to go ahead and cut this 11 by 4 1/4 on this, okay? So we're going to go ahead and cut this. Okay, and then we're going to go ahead and score this part right here from corner to corner, just like we did on the other paper. So I'm going to go ahead and fold that. And then you're going to fold this right to the other side. Now you take the paper that we just did, that's 4 by 11, and now this piece of paper you want to do 4 by 10.5, because you're making it a little bit smaller. This is going to be the paper. And this is the only thing that's different with this, is I'm going to actually cut it from corner to corner. So I'm going to trim. Okay. Okay, now what I'm going to go ahead and do is fold this from this side over. And I want to make sure that you use the folded or the trimmed edge. Okay, so I went ahead and did it that way. Now I'm going to take this trimmed edge and do the same thing from this side to this side. Okay, so, and then you could take your trimmer and just go back onto that score line that you just folded and trim it. Okay, so went ahead and trimmed those. I want to go ahead and put that slides right in. So I go ahead and you can open it while you're doing this. So I'm going to go ahead and put this down, and you want 1/4 inch all the way around on your edges. So I just move it in a little bit like that. Now this part right here is this piece. So I'm going to go ahead and adhere that down and have the little edge of the real red all the way around. Now you open up the inside, and this goes right here. So you kind of see how they mirror each other. And this little edge goes all the way around to 1/4 inch. And then I open that again. Make sure that's the front. This is the inside. And you can decide, okay, I wanted to switch and have it over here. You can decide however you'd like to decorate it. Some people also cut a bunch of different ones, different sides, and they go ahead and put it together differently. Okay, so there's your inside and there's your outside. So hope you've enjoyed this video of the twist and fold gift card idea. If you think of anyone that would like to see this video, share it with them, and watch us next time on Watch It Weekly Wednesday. And so that's all ready to go. You don't.
Oh my god. Yeah, don't put those together.
Okay, you want to make sure that you don't put your magnets close together.